Velveteen Rabbit, a short moral story. Once upon a time, a little boy received a velveteen rabbit for Christmas. At first, the rabbit was ignored, left behind for shinier toys. But one day, the boy chose the rabbit to sleep with, and soon, they became inseparable. The rabbit felt warm and happy. He didn't know what being real meant, so he asked the skin horse, the wisest toy in the nursery. "Real isn't how you're made," said the skin horse. "It's something that happens when a child loves you for a long, long time." As the boy's love grew, the rabbit's fur became worn, his seams stretched, but he didn't mind. He felt more real every day. One spring, the boy fell ill. After he recovered, the doctor ordered all his toys, including the rabbit, to be burned, for safety. Heartbroken, the rabbit was left in the garden, ready to be discarded. But a magical fairy appeared. "Because you were truly loved," she said, "I will make you real." And with a twirl of light, the Velveteen Rabbit became a real rabbit, hopping into the woods with joy. Moral: love is what makes us real, not appearances. True love leaves marks, but also brings life. Thank you for watching.